Paroksh Chawla, welcome to Jar Exchange.
Thank you so very much. Thank you.
Thank you for giving us the time in the midst of IPL. चावला जी बुलाऊं आपको?
हाँ चलेगा, आज इंडस्ट्री वही बुलाती है.
ठीक है. तो चावला जी, for people who don't know about you, थोड़ा आप अपने बारे में बताओ और ITW के बारे में.
Okay, so Paroksh Chawla and formerly known as Chawla ji. I lead ITW Catalyst business as CEO from last almost 6 years. Been into sports industry from 14 years now almost, and before that I was a banker. And ITW is actually one of the biggest sports marketing company in India, which owns rights, does consulting, do events, do celebs, and we are formally, if I have to say this, we are known as solution-based agency. You know, if there is a need or an objective, we'll definitely sit with you, ideate, and provide a solution. And it is not just in India and not just sports. We have done, like, to give an example, this opening ceremony is done by ITW Playworks, which is
IPL opening ceremony.
Yes, IPL opening ceremony. We've been doing opening ceremonies and fan parks. IPL fan parks is what we've been doing. Our last ICC fan park was done by us.
चल रही है वो अच्छे से?
हाँ बिल्कुल. See, it's an extension of a stadium. आप ऐसे सोचो कि जैसे स्टेडियम में जब आपको 30,000 लोग मिलते हैं, and you have that environment and there is a live cricket going on, you know, that rush is there and you want to see your start. But not everybody can go to the stadium. Imagine same kind of environment in a B town or a C town where a big screen is being placed and there are good 2,000, 3,000 people watching it. सब enjoy करते हैं, टीवी पे घर पे बात करते हैं, अगले दिन जाके बात भी करते हैं कि you know मैच में ये हुआ, कल का मैच देखा है देखा. Imagine everybody sitting down together and then you have the same feeling. So Fan Park is a great initiative, and I think every right holder is understanding the power of fan parks as well.
Actually पहले भी मतलब मेरी पर्सनल वो जो एक्सपीरियंस है, जब युवराज ने 6 छक्के मारे थे,
हाँ,
तब मैं IIT दिल्ली हॉस्टल में था एक इवेंट के लिए.
हाँ,
और एक ही टीवी था, एक ही स्क्रीन था, और हम इतने hundreds of people बस जस्ट मतलब मैं वही इमेजिन कर पा रहा हूँ कि वही होगा माहौल जो फैन पार्क्स का होगा. अदरवाइज मैंने टीवी पे देखा है विंबलडन में जो अंदर नहीं जा पाते उससे ज्यादा लोग बाहर होते हैं.
Correct.
है ना?
Correct. So not everybody would get the access. You know, it's tickets plus location. Not everybody can travel, but fan park or any place, you know, even if you are sitting in a bar and watching a match, it's a different environment. Have you seen Premier League teams doing screens, you know, in India? So many times now, you know, and people will go, and there are a lot of people turning up to that. You know, the other day, I think late night, there was Chelsea and Man United, 4-3 Chelsea won. I was just looking at Hotstar, kitne views hai. You know, so many people at the night. 12:30 the game started. 3 o'clock it ended. I came back from my office, but my first priority was पहले मैच देखूंगा. फ्लाइट भी है.
मेरे दोस्त है फुटबॉल फैनेटिक्स जो है, मैं सुबह उठता हूँ तो हमारा ग्रुप पूरा भरा हुआ होता है क्योंकि रात को 1 बजे मैच शुरू होता है.
करेक्ट.
तो सुबह तक चलता है. ठीक है चावला जी, आप थोड़ा IPL समझाओ. अभी IPL सीजन चल रहा है.
हाँ.
जितना मैं देख रहा था 450 करोड़ में के आसपास एक टीम बिकी थी 16 साल पहले. आज 7,000 करोड़ तक पहुंच चुका है.
करेक्ट.
राइट. तो IPL का थोड़ा बिजनेस समझा सकते हो?
No, so we need to go a little back on to it. So every country, when it comes to sports, there is always a time a revolution has come which sparked the next level of that particular discipline or a sport. For me, or this is my personal view, 83 World Cup was the birth of cricket in India. And I'm not saying birth as in the start of cricket. I'm saying the fandom where it reached or where it is today. It was 83. You know, every story you see, all the new heroes, 90s, Sachin Tendulkar, obviously Kapil Dev won it for us. 83 was a remarkable year for us as cricket, as sports. After 20 years later or 25 years later was 2007, T20 came in, and T20 was much needed tournament at that point of time because cricket as a sports needs to evolve as well,
Hmm.
right? Cut to 1 year, 2008, the birth of IPL. The story changes from there, you know. And I always say this, and not just to brands or to everyone, IPL is Diwali in first half. कहाँ मिलेगी आपको 3 महीने की दिवाली?
ब्रांड्स के लिए तो है
बिल्कुल. आप देखिए आज की डेट में the spends of brands overall, it will always used to be around Diwali. Traditional media, how it used to work. But now they have to think, they know for the fact that there is an IPL coming in. April में start होगा, March end में start होगा, and then they think how to invest during that point of time. So that's IPL for you. And this automatically gives you that answer कि पहले टीम बिकी थी at 450 crore, the biggest team at that point of time, or the most expensive team. And now the auction has gone at 7,000 crores. And why somebody is buying at 7,000 crores is because of the fandom which IPL has been able to create. Now look at it. What is the best thing a person, an average Indian person, middle class person, goes home, 7:30, switches on the TV, क्या आ रहा है? IPL at this point of time. He knows, she knows that at that point of time they will look at a great cricket match going on. Right? Superstars will be playing, and not just from their country. So the talent pool itself will create that kind of match and that kind of competition. You know, you're stuck for it for next 4 hours or 3 hours, wherever you're getting time. And people who are not able to watch it on TV now has mobile as well.
Yeah. और जब खत्म होता है तो समझ नहीं आता
अब क्या करे क्या.
Hmm.
Right. So and going back to investments, I think sports is now an asset. And it is not just traditional houses, business houses in India who are investing. Now you will see funds, right, has gone and come inside sports, and not just India, overall around the world. They think sports will be the next investment, I would say, asset, which will go, fundamentally or multiple times. And I've seen that, IPL now currently is the 4th biggest valued league in the world, 2nd biggest watched league or tournament around the world. And then suddenly we are competing with FIFA's Premier League of the world, right? Right now, big cricket playing nations are only 14, but IPL goes to 73 countries, right? When the media investments are done, rest of the world is a separate tender altogether. Why? Because there is a reach of cricket and reach of IPL for sure. So IPL for me is, as an agency, is 40% of business. As a fan is entertainment, sportainment, I would say. And for cricket, it is talent, evolution, as well as business. So that's what IPL.
आपको लग रहा है too much cricket हो गया?
Sometimes. But as long as you are winning it, I don't think so there is a problem. And we as a country been doing good.
मतलब स्टेडियम्स में रश देख के तो नहीं लग रहा है
ना. Correct.
बट अगर आप किसी को पूछो 2 साल पहले कौन जीता था तो इतना याद नहीं रहा.
हाँ, वो थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. एंड इट इज नॉट जस्ट विद क्रिकेट, ग्लोबली ऑल्सो. अगर आप किसी को पूछो कि हाँ भाई प्रीमियर लीग 2 साल पहले क्या पड़ेगा, तो ही विल थिंक एंड देन गिव योर आंसर. एंड यू कैन डू द सेम विद IPL ऑल्सो. Because yes, there is too much football, there is too much cricket, there is too much of everything. But you tell me one thing, where is appointment viewing? Appointment viewing आज की डेट में सिर्फ स्पोर्ट्स के पास ही रह गई है. आपको पता है कि at the 7:30 a match will start. आप जाओगे लाइव के लिए, बिकॉज रेस्ट OTT वगैरह पे आप कभी भी देख सकते हो, राइट? यू नो अकॉर्डिंग टू योर शेड्यूल, मे बी यू आर इन अ फ्लाइट, मे बी 12:30 in the night, you are tired, you just want to start it up. यार एक नया प्रोग्राम I want to start. But you can't do that with sports. So I don't think so. There will be always anytime there will be a problem called too much of sports, because of competition, because of it's live, and you want that live adrenaline, right? Else, नहीं तो it will remain as a content only.
कौन जीता था भाई 2 साल पहले EPL पता?
Last 3 years they've been winning.
अच्छा, फिर तो इजी सवाल हो गया.
Easy answer.
IPL franchises profitable है?
Franchisees who came in first from 2008 are all profitable. Major revenue comes in from central pool, which is the broadcast money and the central sponsorship which is divided towards them.
तो जो सेंट्रल ब्रॉडकास्टिंग राइट्स होते हैं
Correct.
उसका परसेंटेज
आता है और स्पॉन्सरशिप का भी आता है. And then there is their own sponsorships, which is usually around 100 crores a season. Then there is tickets. The gate revenues are, as you said, stadiums are full. We are sitting in Bangalore right now. Do you think it is easy to get a Bangalore ticket?
मैं शो के बाद मांगूंगा.
Correct. So these are the 4 biggest revenue streams for any IPL team. For the new 2 franchisees as well, the same revenue follows in, but it's just that their franchisee cost is way too up, and they have come in the 14th season. So that's why the PNL is right now not in green, but it will come into green for sure. For sure. Because you see the rise in media monies of IPL. So 30,000 crores to 43,000 crores only for digital, 23,000 crores for digital and 23,000 for approx for TV.
This is broadcasting right.
This is broadcasting right.
23,000 crore, 46,000 crores.
Only for digital. 23,000 is
Only for digital.
And similar figure up and down for TV.
But if you look at the reach numbers also, जो मेरे पास डेक्स आती थी, 330 million Hotstar used to claim, and जब Jio आया तो मेरे को 550 million is the reach, unique reach that there. मतलब कि 55 करोड़ लोगों ने एक बार ये IPL देखा है, तो it makes sense.
It makes sense, definitely it makes sense for all the brands. And that's why you see so many brands in IPL. And everybody, see, IPL is very flexible. And it gives you lot of ways to invest in it, how to be part of IPL, and how to make noise in IPL. And every brand is trying to do that. When it comes to brand story, you're not just fighting with your own competition, you're technically fighting with almost 400 brands when it comes to IPL.
तो IPL में around 400 brand participate करते हैं.
हाँ, easily होता है. TV, there are so many brands. Now there is digital, there are so many brands. There are assets on the jerseys. Then there are 5 central partners. Then there are ambush marketing as well, which happens. So you're trying to go to your audience between 400 brands. But the beauty of this tournament is you're able to. Because of what you said, you're almost reaching out to 40 to 50 crores of Indian audience. And I think making IPL free is the next step. You would, during IPL times, you're traveling and everywhere, and what people are doing is easy. Just take out the mobile, whether on Jio Cinema, you just immediately go and...
तो free होने के बाद बहुत फर्क पड़ा है.
बहुत फर्क पड़ा है. I think, like as we spoke about evolution, it is also an evolution. The reach has to increase, and which is increasing. And definitely the quality of the cricket is matching it up to it. Right? Every day, every match is a different story altogether.
नहीं भी interest होता ना, फिर भी बन जाता.
Right? And imagine, look at this. So now we're talking about evolution. एक चीज और है, social media. We tend to ignore it. We talk about media numbers and everything. Social media, वो कहीं से पीछे नहीं है. Half of the time if you have missed a match, half of the time you get to know on social media only क्या हुआ क्या. And the clips which rolls behind the scenes, everything comes from that social media.
एक मिनट के अंदर ट्रेंडिंग होता है ट्विटर पे.
Correct. And I'll tell you one thing. This time I've noticed this. Influencers on social media, they're talking about IPL every day.
Yeah.
I've seen some podcasts now where 2 influencers are actually sitting and discussing the matches. And they have their unique style of talking about it. But what are they talking about? IPL only. So does that reach also counts in IPL? Yes, it does. Because it helps in overall reach of IPL.
वो तो काउंट भी नहीं हो रही 55 करोड़ के अंदर.
Correct. So imagine that multiple fold of IPL and the overall effect on the social, the content of TV, social media and everything. It's huge. huge, and that's why IPL it's growing everything, and it's not just this. Now look at IPL as a sport. Every year they are making some changes which adding to the excitement.
Yeah.
Last year Super Sub aaya, and suddenly everybody was like, "Yaar, what is this? Impact player, right?"
Yeah.
And now captain teams prepare accordingly. 2 team sheet लेके आते हैं, right?
इस साल 2 बाउंसर हुए शायद.
इस साल 2 bouncer हो गए. Now you are giving something to the bowlers as well, and imagine suddenly it changes it, right? And bouncers are a good trick for the bowlers to actually use it. Second, third very important point when it comes to cricket, youngsters. The new batch of cricket, and sometimes we also don't know those players, and now they are playing. The other day somebody played, I'm sorry I don't know the name, for KKR he debuted, made 50 altogether in Vizag against Delhi. 18-year-old boy. Yesterday Abhishek, who opened for Sunrisers, he made only 37 or 38 runs, I don't know, in 12, 13 balls.
Yeah. Against the best bowlers.
Against the best bowlers and against the best team. And the way he was hitting, and suddenly you're like, this is the quality of cricket which has gone up.
बहुत सारी Indian team की selection is dependent on how you perform in IPL.
I think it will be very difficult for selectors.
Yeah. Rinku Singh, I think, is a very good example. I
Big
think
fan of him.
जो उन्होंने खेला इसमें IPL में, I think that's what is getting his ticket to the international stage.
Exactly. So IPL has produced stars for Indian cricket, and it will continue to do so. And as cricket, we are in a very good position because we have a very big talent pool, which is good for the sport anytime. You know this Belgium story, right?
Yeah.
The Belgium football story. Belgium, had a great football team, but they had a very dull period. They couldn't win trophies or something at a national level and all. What they did was, they said, enough of national or leagues or something. Let's work towards the under 8, under 14 players. Because the result of it will come when they play in their 20s. Now, Belgium players are actually one of the most expensive players around the world. And they are playing in the top leagues.
तो उसको काफी साल लगे होंगे ना.
So that's what is happened with IPL as well. Now, if you look at it in his 16th year, the talent pool is so big. Even in 10 teams, the competition is same. Right? I think till date, the beauty of IPL is you don't know who will win the match. A team can come with 3 wins continuously and suddenly lose to a team who might not be winning.
Yeah.
Because the talent pool, as I said, is somewhere equal. And the capping which has been done by BCCI is the best part of it.
बस RCB नहीं जीतती है.
जीतेगी. वुमेन्स में जीती है, उसमें भी जीतेगी. I think every team, every franchisee goes through a journey. I think it will win. I think the team, the way they have the support, they will win for sure.
चलो जी, ब्रांड साइड से बात करते हैं. थोड़े ट्रिकी क्वेश्चंस. ठीक है. जब ब्रांड्स बात करते हैं, ब्रांड वैल्यू ऑफ IPL फ्रेंचाइजीज, तो 3 नाम आते हैं, RCB और CSK और MI. तो विनिंग और लूजिंग IPL, उससे फ़र्क पड़ता है ब्रांड वैल्यू पे, या फिर बाकी फ्रेंचाइजीज उस तरीके से ब्रांड वैल्यू क्यों नहीं क्रिएट कर पाई? इज इट बिकॉज ऑफ द प्लेयर्स, और क्या हो रहा है? मतलब व्हाई इज इट कि एनीवेयर यू हैव अ मैच, कल SRH का मैच था होम ग्राउंड पे और पूरा का पूरा स्टेडियम येलो था, तो वो ब्रांड वैल्यू जो कुछ फ्रेंचाइजीज बना पाई है वो बाकी क्यों नहीं बना पाई?
आई थिंक ब्रांड वैल्यू सबने बनाई है. किसी की ज़्यादा है, किसी की कम है. इट्स जस्ट दैट आई थिंक द वे एफिनिटी टुवर्ड्स अ टीम, that is where the differentiator is. ऐसा नहीं है Sunrisers, like you spoke, doesn't have fans, big fans. And I've worked with that franchisee for for 2 years very closely. And I've seen their madness. But, sometimes because of one player, which is MSD, he's very big in India, right? He's the great Indian story, right? His rise and what he has achieved. So sometimes, yes, the fandom goes, but look at the cheer which happened in the end for Sunriser winning it, right? There could be Mahi fans. Yes, there were Mahi fans, but there were SRH fans which were far bigger. Because for them, if you see that franchisee, they've been doing good now. That they have changed their approach in terms of matches and everything. So sometimes, yes, for one match or the other, it can happen. But every franchisees has created their own brand values. They have their own way of functioning and their affinity. Let's speak about Bangalore. While there is no trophy, but it is one of the most asked team. And I'm not just talking from the brands or anything. On social media as well, right? The content they produce. Yes, they have Virat Kohli obviously as a face, which makes a lot of difference. But on the other hand, every other franchisee has been able to do good work in terms of how they want to create their brand value. And one thing I definitely want to talk about is Rajasthan Royals. Now look at what content they are doing. Exceptional content on social media, which regularly what everybody was probably not doing it. They're doing it very differently. KKR. You spoke about big three kind of in like we speak about the big four in EPL, big three in IPL, but KKR, what fandom they have, right? I think they have won 2 trophies, but in that particular region on eastern side of India, I don't think so that kind of dominance has been done by anyone. And while coming from the birthplace of East Bengals and Mohun Bagans, right? Have you seen a match in Calcutta?
No.
You should go for one. The environment is very different. Very, very different. And I think one person, if somebody is lucky enough to do this, should go and watch one match in every stadium in IPL. You will not feel the difference. Much difference. Apart from one player walking in and suddenly it's noise. And I'm personally a big fan of him. So the way they have created their brand values, yes, a trophy is cherry on the top, but in overall love, loyalty towards the franchisee is how they have created for themselves. And RCB, Mumbai Indians, RR, Kolkata would be a big examples of it. Right? Punjab in its own region, yes, they have done great. Right? Delhi, obviously being a capital city, they have their own fan base. So, yes, a trophy would make a difference, but I think how brand values of franchisees they have been able to create. I think there is affinity towards every other franchisee in their own zones or catchment areas.
हम अभी IPL के फायदों की मतलब अच्छी चीज़ों की बात कर रहे हैं.
हाँ.
अभी रिसेंटली एक आर अश्विन का कोट आया था.
हाँ.
कि I don't think if IPL is cricket anymore, and it was reference towards the number of shoots the players have to do on sets instead of practice matches. तो इतना hectic थोड़ा मतलब behind the scenes बताओ ना. Is that hectic for the players to do shoots?
Definitely hectic तो है. But on the other side, it also denotes the success of IPL. Why there are brand shoots? Because brands wants to work with them. They know for the fact that an IPL, a team association, will definitely help them in their campaigns, in their objectives. So yes, it's sometimes, yes, I'm not an athlete, I'm not the player, but I can understand because in between of so much cricket, they have to do brand shoots and they have their responsibilities over there. And going back to your question of does trophy matters or not, see, brands are working with every team.
Yeah.
It depends on their objectives and it depends on the team, what they've been doing and how that team is structured. Yes, for athletes, it's difficult. So for athletes, at the start of IPL would be very difficult because at that time बहुत सारे shoots होते हैं, बहुत सारे campaigns होते हैं. Because आपको campaigns roll out भी करने होते हैं as a brand manager, you would know it. सबको shoot जल्दी चाहिए. तो
नहीं बट मैं तो एक ब्रांड साइड से, आप तो 10 25 30
हाँ, तो
ब्रांड
तभी मैं बोल रहा हूँ सबको शूट जल्दी चाहिए. एंड IPL franchises also know it, and players will definitely help on to it, and they try to finish as much as shoots, content in the early stages of IPL, or rather before IPL in their camps, and maybe 10-15 days of struggle after that, or regular, I would say difficult phase of work, shoot, playing, practice, travel. It's not easy for them. So after that, I think after 15 days it becomes little easy.
ठीक है, but winning trophy for RCB in women's IPL, that matters, right? WPL की बात करते हैं. How do you think that this second year was a success?
Definitely. And I say this not just for WPL, for every league. See, it's a league which has just started. In second year, look at the way the celebrations happened for RCB. Right? Every league needs time to settle down. IPL was not IPL in 2008 and 9. But suddenly from 2010, 11, that rocket story came in. And suddenly, now in 2014, IPL is not IPL which it was in 2010 also. So that entire evolution has happened. The league has settled down. As brand, you know for the fact that, yaar, March end में IPL start होगा. So I need to reserve some monies for it.
100%.
You might do a display campaign, but you will do it around IPL news stories. If you have different little bigger budgets, then you will think, okay, यार TV करता हूँ, association करता हूँ, क्या करता हूँ, 3-4 चीजें combination लगाता हूँ. So same way, WPL will also settle in.
आप कहाँ पे थे जब मैच हो रहा था?
कौन सा?
WPL फाइनल.
मैं दिल्ली में ही था, बट मैं स्टेडियम में नहीं था उस दिन.
बैंगलोर के अंदर जब वो मैच जीता, मतलब जो टीम जीती, WPL विमेंस बैंगलोर टीम, तो 15 मिनट तक पटाखे बज रहे थे. और मेरा जहाँ पे घर है उसके पास में एक कॉलेज है, वहाँ से द स्क्रीम्स ऑफ वुमेन.
हाँ.
तो तब मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि पीपल आर वॉचिंग एंड यू वुड नॉट स्क्रीम, यू वुड नॉट, आप पटाखे नहीं बजाओगे इफ़ यू आर नॉट इन्वेस्टेड इनटू इट.
करेक्ट.
लाइक फ्रॉम वेयर, मतलब मैं पहले इफ़ यू गो जस्ट बाय नंबर्स, तो मुझे लग रहा था कि यार वो इस लेवल पे नहीं पहुंचा है अभी. बट व्हेन आई सॉ द मैडनेस दैट द बैंगलोर पीपल हैड टुवर्ड्स दैट, तब मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि यार लोग देख रहे हैं.
आप उसकी सक्सेस इसी से देख लो ना. एज immediately all RCB men players were congratulating on video calls. They did a victory lap here, and at the point of victory lap, I was here at that point of time in Bangalore Stadium. You can't hear anything else. The crowd was cheering so much. So again, as I said, the way that RCB has functioned over the years and able to create the brand value. So whether it's men or female, RCB won. So RCB as a franchisee has won it. ट्रॉफी तो ट्रॉफी होती है, वो दंगल में बोलता है ना.
व्यूअरशिप की अगर बात करें IPL की, क्योंकि वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट द नंबर्स,
हाँ,
तो जो डिजिटल वर्सेस टीवी का डिबेट होता था पहले फ्रॉम अ ब्रांड साइड, अब आप तो दोनों ही बेचते हो, बट डू यू थिंक द स्टेटस को ऑफ टीवी हैज चेंज्ड नाउ? डू यू थिंक कि डिजिटल इज गिविंग फियर्स कंपटीशन टू व्हाट टीवी इज? क्योंकि आज से 5-7 साल पहले टीवी ही था, राइट? टीवी मीन्स ट्रस्ट, टीवी मीन्स यू अराइव्ड एज अ ब्रांड. अब आपको क्या लगता है कि हाउ आर द मैकेनिक्स ऑफ द रीच?
I think an extension of content. It's a ease of content for everyone. Like you said, पहले अगर brand TV पे आ गया तो it has reached a certain stature, right? आज भी वही है. TV का audience ही रहेगा. If you see the numbers, it has not come down.
Okay.
But the numbers of digital has also grown up. For a average middle class family, let's say a scenario of consumption of content, and for example here it is IPL, right? At home, when they are together, maybe Sunday or Saturday or late in the evening, it is TV which is happening. Okay, and TV mein I'm including CTV also, because technically it is TV. But now like newer generation, everybody's on mobile, right? So the ease of access towards content, you immediately take it out and you can watch it now. Maybe one person is sitting in the bedroom and now he's watching or she's watching alone. So the mobile has definitely added an extension on of it. Maybe that area was not was untouched. Now with free content, I think that's been added. So I don't think so there is digital versus TV. I think it is up to a brand depending on their TG whom they want to target. Both will provide, answers to your objective. And both are important for sports.
Digital has more tech, just more targeting.
आप targeting कर सकते हो, and it gives you sometimes more flexibility as well. TV campaign little more expensive.
Comparison में digital हो जाता है.
And entry point सस्ता है. फिर उसकी reach भी उसी हिसाब से आएगी. So I think it is the same old story. जितनी चीनी डालोगे उतना मीठा बनेगा वैसा. So now, okay, let's say example, if I am again saying is there is no versus here. It is about a brand, how they want to use it. Any national brand would do both. Will always invest in both. They will divide the money equally. Because that's where I think they don't want to miss out on any audience or any unique view. So I think the answer for this lies on the brand side only. According to their objective, their need, their budgets, they can plan it. I think it's a good point only. It's a good situation to be in, right? When you have multiple options.
The A-listers in Bollywood as well as cricket, do you think कि there are certain players, certain actors, certain personality जो overexposed है? अगर हम विराट कोहली की बात करें, the number of brand endorsements, but still he holds that,
He
right?
commands that.
हाँ. But ऐसा from agency side, working with so many brands, आपको लगता है कि यार there is just overexposure happening. अगर आप शेयर ऑफ वॉइस देखो बॉलीवुड के अंदर अक्षय कुमार, रणवीर सिंह, इट जस्ट ग्रोइंग ट्रेमेंडसली. तो अगर एवरी थर्ड एड एक प्लेयर की है तो डू यू थिंक देयर इज ओवर एक्सपोजर?
नहीं, उसका एडवांटेज भी तो ब्रांड को ही मिल रहा है ना. इफ यू हैव अ टॉप सेलिब्रिटी इन योर कंटेंट, you will definitely garner more attention. So I don't think so there is overburdened celebrity. It is a mixture of everything. Now it is what content you do, right? We talked about Bold Care, right? What content they do. Do you think in that ad celebrities, Ranveer Singh, I think it's Johnny Singh, right? And kudos to who has written it, right? I think Moonshot has written. Brilliantly done. Similarly, in any ad, celebrity, how it has been used, it is very important.
उसमें ऐसा होता है क्या? इन द सेंस कि हम लोग बहुत ही वैकी कॉन्सेप्ट्स लिखते हैं कभी-कभी सेलिब्रिटीज के लिए. डू प्लेयर्स डिनाई डील्स फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड? मतलब आईपीएल छोड़ो, अदरवाइज भी.
हाँ, it is their decision, how they want to carry their image in the market. Because for them, it is not just one brand campaign. For them, it is the overall scenario. Because for their main job is to play, right? It's very important. And it is not, and then life of an athlete, it is not easy. Number one, it is very short. आपका मेरा करियर बहुत लंबा है, उनका करियर बहुत शॉर्ट है. तो एक बहुत उनके लिए बड़ा डिफिकल्ट चीज है ये चीज. So yes, they do deny some brands, like we spoke about. I think I was reading it somewhere that Sachin sir has never taken a Pran Masala brand. Obviously, not. But there are many who has taken it. It is their personal decision, and yes, they do deny some scripts. And I don't think so. There is anything wrong in it. It is a personal choice of anyone what content or what content they want to be part of.
What are the best campaigns do you think have come out in the last few years?
Best campaigns, I think related to cricket. I think
क्रिकेट बता दो. क्रिकेट के ही है मोस्टली, अभी फुटबॉल पे भी चलेंगे.
बहुत कैंपेन्स हुए हैं. एक बड़ा अच्छा कैंपेन मुझे याद है. नो रिलेशन टू एनी सेलिब्रिटी, नथिंग, इज द टाइमिंग ऑफ द कैंपेन व्हाट दे डिड. India Pakistan match, I think year was 2016 or I think इससे पहले हुआ. You know for the fact that that day India will be shut, right? Everybody will be in front of the TVs. Dettol released a campaign. Oh, Dettol ho. Very simple messaging. Wash your hands. This thing. उन्होंने क्या करा? उन्होंने उस दिन सबसे ज़्यादा FCT खरीद लिया. सबके दिमाग में मेरे हिसाब से Dettol हो ही बज रहा था. Next दिन everybody was just social media पे सारा conversation ही वही चल रहा था. But what a brilliant way to do it. Impact Day, you know for the fact that the biggest audience, you will reach out to your universe anyhow. Recently, we did something for actually Mahindra. And where we did a team association. So brief obviously was that in a limited budget, we have to create a story and get the maximum stars in. So what we did was we assigned 4 cars of Mahindra to 4 teams. Okay. According to team's personality and the car personality and the features. So Rajasthan was Thar. Okay, and we created content like that. Mumbai, we know for the fact that you need a car which is far bigger because roads and all the entire family needs to fit in. XUV 700. Delhi was Scorpio. That rugged, that power should come out. And Bangalore being tech city, RCB, we had XUV 400 electric car. And interestingly what we did was we tied up with their green initiative.
जो RCB green jersey में
Green jersey. So Mahindra had the rights for green jersey, on exclusive rights for green jersey. So what I'm trying to say is sometimes, as I said, IPL is so flexible. You know, an entry into IPL can start from 1 crore and you can go to 500 crores and buy an IPL title also. That's the beauty of this particular tournament. And as a brand, you can do whatever you want to and take your brand, whatever position you want to take, you can do it. Mahindra was a great campaign. An extension of it is you get tickets, their dealers and their top customers, the gratification comes in, right? The content comes in, top players are, next to your card, shooting.
अब मजा आ रहा है और बताओ.
नहीं यार, ब्रांड स्टोरी बड़ी अलग अलग होती है और सबकी रिक्वायरमेंट अलग अलग यार. मैं नाम नहीं लूंगा कुछ ब्रांड्स के.
वियर्डेस्ट रिक्वायरमेंट बताओ.
हाँ. वियर्डेस्ट रिक्वायरमेंट कई बार आ जाती है यार, हमारा डिनर करा दो प्लेयर्स के साथ. We don't take that. But jokes aside, a very interesting story, I must tell you this, is, have you heard of 9 sanitary pads? Okay, I'll tell you a story. So, cut to IPL got shifted to September because of COVID in 2020. And that was one IPL was very tricky for us. We were all sitting at home, yet planning for IPL while nobody's there.
शूट्स भी बायो बबल में होती थी ना.
हाँ, शूट्स भी बायो बबल में होती थी and every team used to carry their own content team and we used to look it from our monitors at home. क्या चल रहा है, क्या नहीं चल रहा है scripts में, and we used to talk, अच्छा ये ठीक कर दे, ये हो रहा है, whatever we could do. But at that point of time, we had a brief from a brand called Nine. It's a female-oriented brand. IPL is traditionally been done by male segment brands maximum, or either it is a general brand which is for everyone. So we went out to Rajasthan Royals and we came up with this idea that what if you want to carry the brand itself on your back of jersey. There are a lot of discussions happened.
Brand itself का मतलब?
Because it's a sanitary pad. We wanted to paste the sanitary
pad, not the name of the brand yours.
Along with it.
Okay.
So look at 2020, आप search करोगे तो आपको वो sanitary pad पूरा shape ऐसा proper मिलेगा. Akash, the success of that campaign and thanks to the team also who created a lot of content onto it, I was ready to don that jersey. BBC came for an interview to cover it. That campaign actually made stories in China also. Huh? I was approached by BBC. the brand was approached. There were sports columns in UK been written on that particular.
बट ये मुझे नहीं पता था कि यहाँ तक की फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी है कि ये भी करवा सकते हैं.
या डिपेंड करता है ना, आप टीम्स
Concept.
क्या करना चाहते हैं, कॉन्सेप्ट पे डिपेंड करता है. इट इज नॉट जस्ट लोगो पेस्टिंग. A lot of content was pushed along with it. Players were talking about it, right? And it is in India is still something which not everybody would talk about it.
Yeah. So they did not take any FCT or anything.
No, they didn't. It was pure play content which was used on social media, was pushed by teams, was pushed by brands, and suddenly it became a big story.
Very nice.
And then, like I said, how do you stand out between all those brands which are there? And that's how you stand out. And, obviously it depends on the creativity what you do. To sum it up, I think we can say this, that creativity and then the extension of it would always help you in IPL. IPL में ना stickers लगते हैं seat के पीछे, branding. It is part of
Stadium में.
stadium. It is part of your deliverables.
तो this is a franchisee या फिर
फ्रेंचाइजी. तो मैं एक बार एक ब्रांड के साथ एक टीम पे काम कर रहा था. So you usually have your activation agency, you ask them who would do this. And this is the front of jersey big partner. तो रात को ना वो जो we were in the stadium around 2 o'clock or something. So all these boys are doing that activation agency sticker लगा रही है, and stadium is not small, huh? So putting 5,000 stickers is a very difficult job. And they had the biggest stand. Me and my colleague were there, we were there. वो लोगों ने बोला सर एक चाय पी के आते हैं. And after that they didn't come. And I know for the fact that at that point of time, I think I'm talking about good 11 years back, रात भर स्टिकर हमने लगाया. So you have to deliver it to your brand. I know it might not be the biggest deliverable, but you have to deliver. And brand managers do come and check it out because it's their job too. They are paying monies for it, yeah. It is not small monies they are doing. Every deliverable needs to be checked. And sometimes it's very difficult as well. कई बारी team has not won and next day there is a shoot. It's very difficult for a player.
Yeah.
Right. So.
But brand को तो push करना है ना.
Brand को तो करना है. Brand तो brand है.
चलो आपने फ्रंट ऑफ जर्सी की बात करी.
हाँ.
सो नंबर्स मुझे पता है आप बोलोगे नहीं, बट एटलीस्ट लेट्स जस्ट लुक.
नहीं, वी कैन टॉक अबाउट.
ठीक है. तो जब मैं बात करता हूँ अपने घर पे किसी से और मैं बोलता हूँ, तो पहली बात तो एक फ्रेंचाइजी के एक जर्सी पे कितने ब्रांड होते हैं?
10 एसेट होते हैं.
सो द बिगेस्ट एसेट इज फ्रंट ऑफ जर्सी, क्योंकि आपने बोला तो मैं सोचता हूँ कि एफसीटीवी समझाओ, बट एनीवे कि फ्रंट ऑफ जर्सी इज द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव वन. एक जर्सी एक ब्रांड की अंदाजा एवरेज कितने करोड़ की मतलब स्पॉन्सरशिप होगी? सो फ्रंट ऑफ जर्सी इज वन. एक बार समझाओ ना, मतलब दिस इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल दैट.
तो हायरार्की वाइज इज फ्रंट, फिर बैक, फिर राइट अपर चेस्ट, फिर लीडिंग आर्म, फिर यू कैन इक्वली से आर्म. नॉन लीडिंग आर्म में 2 ब्रांड होते हैं, लीडिंग कैप, देन लीडिंग ट्राउजर, नॉन लीडिंग ट्राउजर एंड देन बैक ऑफ कैप.
इससे मैं दिखा सकता हूँ.
सो दिस इज द हायरार्की. और दिस रेंजेस फ्रॉम so मैं current figures की बात करता हूँ. This ranges from 28 crores to 1.5 crores. All 10 teams I'm talking about. I'm talking about 100 assets in this range. 10 team, 10 jerseys, 26 crores to 1.5 crores.
26 करोड़ मतलब आप बोल रहे हो कि एक एसेट हो सकता है?
हाँ, एक टीम की जो सबसे महंगी जो आज की डेट में जो फ्रंट जर्सी है वो 26 करोड़ की है, और जो सबसे छोटा एसेट 1.5 करोड़ का है किसी भी एक टीम.
तो ओवरऑल 50 करोड़ से ऊपर की जर्सी की स्पॉन्सरशिप होती होगी.
टोटल ओवरऑल it is not just jersey.
Okay.
So there are a lot of partners to a team which are not in jersey, but they are partners to the team. They are called official partners.
Okay.
So the average इस IPL की बात करते हैं. I think the total extraction or investment, this is a better word for sponsorship with teams, is somewhere around 1,100 crores this year.
वाह, एक्सट्रैक्शन आपने सही बोला वैसे. तो 1100 करोड़ का
इन्वेस्टमेंट है
on these partnerships.
In all these partnerships, only teams. We know for the fact that at how much at IPL title being sold, 500 crores. So that makes it 1600 crores. And then there are central partners, another 500 crores approx you can add, or 400 crores you can approx add. So total sponsorship in IPL would be around 1900 to 2000 crores. TV, I think this year numbers have not come, but overall TV and digital is around 6000 crores.
This is basically ad space.
Ad space.
Ad space TV digital 6000 crore.
6000, 6500.
Partnerships of franchisee 2000 crore.
So every year at an average of 13% it has been increased.
तो यही हो गया मेन, ये 8000 करोड़ हो गया अभी. और क्या, और कुछ बचता है?
नहीं, मेनली फ्रेंचाइजी IPL सिस्टम में तो यही है. इसके अलावा ब्रांड्स एक्सपेंडिचर these days is on obviously the extension of what they want to do. They want to spend on social media, they want to spend on display, news.
वो तो ब्रांड साइड से.
वो ब्रांड साइड से. और एक्सटेंशन बोल रहा हूँ मैं, एक्सटेंशन ऑफ IPL, what you can do.
Is there a number? टोटल IPL का कितना धंधा होता है अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस? कोई ऐसा नंबर है?
IPL तो we discussed is somewhere around, as I said, 8000 crores of total approx. इसके beyond would be somewhere around 2000 crore more.
अभी मैं डाइग्रेस कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ.
जब IPL मैच की टिकट खुलती है किसी भी फ्रेंचाइजी की,
हाँ.
वो इतनी जल्दी, मतलब कितने दिन में खत्म होती है?
I think this so this year we did a very interesting partnership where HDFC has the exclusive rights. HDFC Pays app users have the exclusive window for RCB tickets. Minutes, Akash, it was gone. And imagine when they release it for everyone. I can't even tell you how much time it takes. People are waiting. They're happy to wait. They follow their social media.
एक वीडियो देखी आपने RCB के स्टेडियम के बाहर?
कौन सी?
जिसमें वो दिखा सकते हैं हम रात को कितने लोग वेट करते हैं वहाँ पे, चद्दर लेके जाते हैं, वहीं पे सोते हैं ताकि बिकॉज दे वांट टू बाय टिकट्स. तो देयर आर सम टिकट्स जो स्टेडियम के बाहर मिलती है.
करेक्ट.
एंड सम टिकट्स जो
ऑनलाइन जाती है. एंड देयर आर सम टिकट्स ऑब्वियसली यू गेट इट एज अ ब्रांड पार्टनर.
व्हाई इज रीसेलिंग ऑफ टिकट्स? रीसेलिंग ऑफ टिकट्स नहीं होता ना इंडिया?
नहीं, इट्स नॉट अलाउड.
क्योंकि यूके के अंदर, मतलब जब मैंने
इंडिया से बाहर होता है, यूके में होता है.
मैंने एशेज की टिकट सारी वाया गो ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म से
करेक्ट.
इंडिया बड़ी मार्केट नहीं है इंडिया के अंदर. हाँ? जो अनएक्सप्लोर्ड है टिकट रीसेलिंग.
नहीं, बट दैट विल डिस्टर्ब द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ दिस बिजनेस. इट शुड नॉट बी अलाउड.
ऐसा?
हाँ, आई पर्सनली फील दैट. आई नो इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू गेट. नॉट एवरीबडी गेट्स एन एक्सेस, बट देयर इज इनफ क्रिकेट हैपनिंग. यू कैन सी अ मैच. Right, for let's talk about someone in UP now or Lucknow who has now opened up. Suddenly now has access to 7 games at a stadium
which has 100,000 capacity, है ना?
No, वहाँ का कम है.
अच्छा,
that's around 40,000 if I'm not wrong.
अच्छा, अहमदाबाद वाला 100,000.
अहमदाबाद is 100,000. So you have access. You might not go this IPL, you will go that IPL. You might not go for this match, or you will go for the next match. And then there is India cricket. Average India plays around 22 to 23 matches at home every year. So that's also an opportunity, right? They are also full. Yeah. So if somebody wants to watch a match, they will be able to watch a match. I think while we have a big population, but if there is someone who wants to watch a cricket match, definitely can watch it.
हम लोग
so that's why there should not be any reselling of tickets.
मैं डाइग्रेस इसलिए कि हम बात कर रहे थे कि ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म क्यों नहीं है इंडिया के अंदर जहाँ पे सेकंड हैंड का मतलब रीसेलिंग ऑफ टिकट्स हो सकता है कि नहीं.
If government allows, that can come. But I think as a it's a government decision. मतलब I don't think so anybody else can have a say here. But yes, if somebody wants to watch a match, can शिद्दत से अगर कोई जाएगा वो देख लेगा. मैच देखने का मजा बहुत सारे इंडिया में बहुत अच्छे स्टेडियम्स है. आई थिंक वन शुड ऑलवेज गो टू धर्मशाला. यू नो दैट व्यू वी टॉक्ड अबाउट कोलकाता.
हर स्टेडियम की वाइब अलग है.
हर स्टेडियम की वाइब अलग है. तो मैं उस दिन ओपनिंग सेरेमनी के लिए जब बैठा हुआ था IPL, डिफरेंट वाइब ऑल टुगेदर. यू नो इमेजिन CSK ओपनिंग अगेंस्ट RCB. व्हाट एल्स यू कुड हैव थॉट ऑफ.
देखा है आपने?
हाँ देखिए,
यही ग्लैमर साइड है ना स्पोर्ट्स मैनेजमेंट की.
हाँ ग्लैमर साइड है, हाँ हमारे बिजनेस की ग्लैमर साइड तो है डेफिनेटली, एक एडवांटेज तो है, एक बिजनेस एडवांटेज तो है, बट देयर इज लॉट ऑफ वर्क व्हिच इज बीन डन बिहाइंड द सीन।
स्टेडियम पे स्टिकर लगाना,
स्टिकर लगाना, कई बारी तो आपका, कई बारी अगेन आई विल टेल यू वन स्टोरी। हम लोग हैदराबाद में थे 2013, आई थिंक फर्स्ट और सेकेंड मैच था होम, और बिकॉज ऑफ बीइंग प्लेटू एरिया थोड़ा सा वहाँ पर, वहाँ तो कई बार थंडरस्टॉर्म्स आ जाते हैं। तो सडनली वन डे बिफोर द मैच वो स्टेडियम ब्यूटिफिकेशन सारा सामान नीचे आने लग गया। इमेजिन सो मेनी पीपल हैज टू रीवर्क एंड गेट दैट डन बिफोर द मैच। इट इज नॉट इजी, you have to go good number of feet up, put that one particular billboard up, right? It's not easy.
पहले वाले स्टेडियम में जो लाइट होती थी, it used to take a lot of time to come back on। अगर मेरे को याद है कुछ मैचेस में लोग ऊपर, कोई बंदा ऊपर जाता था उसको ठीक करता था। अब तो आई थिंक they keep playing with lights, it's a very different thing।
हाँ तो टेक्नोलॉजी है, you know, I think sports का टेक्नोलॉजी से बहुत अच्छा लिंक है। And sport tech companies, if you see in last 5-6 years, are doing brilliant jobs across the
world. Yeah, Spider Cam. Look at how Jio has this Hero Cam, their camera on the players, this thing, different languages पहले नहीं होता था। अब भोजपुरी is trending,
बड़ा मजा आता है।
मैं पंजाबी में देखता हूँ, अगर मैच बोलिंग हो रहा होता तो मैं पंजाबी में लगा देता हूँ।
अब so the other day हम लोग होटल में बैठे थे, हम लोग सारे साथ बैठे थे, तो मैंने पंजाबी में लगा के सुनाया। So it was very difficult for them to understand, but हम तो पंजाबी obviously being a पंजाबी में देखने का
बड़ा मजा आता है। एक सरदार जी है कमेंटेटर, मेरे को नाम नहीं पता उनका, एक यार जलंधर तो पटियाले।
हाँ,
दिस वेरी गुड रेफरेंस।
वो बेस्ट था, वो उड़ाती बॉल, उनको नहीं समझ आएगा obviously, but for us it was very good, you know। So I think these extensions are very good. Sports tech is definitely on the rise. Have you seen this perimeter boards coming different in different countries? Imagine this.
मेरे पास एक कंपनी का प्रोफाइल आया था और मैं समझ पा रहा था, बिकॉज दे आर एक्चुअली ग्राउंड पे जो हो रहा है वो ऐसा नहीं है जो मैं टीवी पे देख रहा हूँ, उसके अंदर चेंज किया है।
So WPL में भी इस बारी कुछ यूज हुआ था।
ओके,
बाय द वे जो साइड मैट्स होते हैं, जो ब्रांड के मैट्स लगे होते हैं ऑन मिड विकेट, दे वर वर्चुअल। ग्राउंड पे इस बारी वैसे
मैं कभी सोचता हूँ,
इस बारी वर्चुअल था।
ठीक है, टॉप 3 स्टेडियम बताओ अभी एक बार। आप क्या टॉप 3? आपने धर्मशाला बोला है,
इंडिया से बाहर,
चलो 3 दोनों बताओ।
अच्छा, इंडिया डेफिनेटली वन वुड बी आरसीबी, चिन्नास्वामी, सॉरी मैं आरसीबी गेम्स देखा है तो ज्यादा, तो हाँ चिन्नास्वामी। सेकंड वुड बी धर्मशाला, थर्ड वुड बी कैलकाटा,
ईडन
गार्डन्स। ये मेरे फेवरेट है पर्सनल।
नहीं मेरे वो विनोद कामली वाला मैच कब हुआ था? जब वो 96
वर्ल्ड कप। हाँ 96 वर्ल्ड कप।
तो मेरे दोस्त है, सो वी हैड अ कैंपेन लॉन्ग बैक एक कंपनी के साथ विद विनोद कामली, एंड द प्रोडक्शन क्रू वाज बंगाली।
अच्छा,
वो सबके सब, मतलब मेरी उम्र के सबके सब बोले कि हम उस स्टेडियम में थे, एंड ऑल ऑफ अस एज किड्स वर क्राइंग। मतलब मेरे को वो वाइब देखने, मतलब वो बोलते हैं कि ऐसी वाइब अभी नहीं आती है शायद, आई डोंट नो, बट दैट वाइब ऑफ दैट ईडन गार्डन्स, एक टाइम पे तो सबसे वही माना जाता था स्टेडियम कि बड़ी नॉलेजेबल क्राउड है, बड़ी पैशनेट क्राउड है। तो 96 वर्ल्ड कप में दे टोल्ड मी दैट एंटायर पीपल, 1 लाख थे कितने थे मुझे पता नहीं, एवरीवन वाज क्राइंग। मतलब दैट्स द वाइब ऑफ
पीपल वर क्राइंग। एज अ 11-year-old boy I was crying, and I'll tell you that this story आज भी याद है मुझे। मेरे घर में पेंट चल रहा था, पेंट हो रहा था, तो पुराने तरीके से, अब तो बहुत मॉडर्नाइज तरीके से पेंट हो जाता है। अब पुराने तरीके से क्या होता था, एक कमरे से सामान शिफ्ट करके दूसरे में कराया जाता था, फिर दूसरा कमरा होता था। So match was happening and I was like fighting with my dad कि भाई केबल लाओ और मैच तो देखना ही है, राइट। तो हमने मेक शिफ्ट टीवी किसी चीज़ के ऊपर रखा, एक ही कमरे में सब कुछ घुसा रखा है, दूसरे रूम में हो रहा था, भाई पेंट सूख रहा था, and we took out the antenna and we plugged in and somehow we watched the entire match, and unfortunately India lost. And I think that day changed so many things for young cricketers. There's so many young cricketers were born that day thinking now I'll play for India and I'll change the story. And then we all were there. मैं भी यही सोच रहा था. So lot many things happened. I think for me personally, मैं sports में I took sports as a it didn't happen as an accident. It was a choice for me. So कई बारी स्टार्टिंग में आपके पास चॉइस नहीं होते, बट few things you can change in your career is sometimes you take your own decision. So I took that as a decision to be in sports.
उसी पे आता हूँ बस एक कोई इंडिया पाकिस्तान मैच देखा आपने? बिकॉज
हाँ, देखा है।
मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि उस टाइम पे हमारे इमोशंस अलग थे बिकॉज मैचेस कम होते थे और
हाँ।
इंडिया के मैचेस ज़्यादा होते थे. आई हैव अ फीलिंग, दिस माई पर्सनल ओपिनियन, कि आफ्टर सो मच ऑफ IPL वो राइवलरीज खत्म हो गई है.
हाँ,
वो जो राइवलरीज थी, गौतम गंभीर प्लेइंग शोएब अख्तर और वीरेंद्र सहवाग डूइंग व्हाट ही यूज्ड टू डू,
हाँ,
या उससे भी पीछे जाए तो सचिन का शारजा वाला आज भी देखता हूँ तो इट्स लाइक गूज बम्प्स,
हाँ.
है ना? तो वो आप
We grew up to that. So नहीं, मैंने रिसेंटली देखा अभी T20 इंडिया पाकिस्तान देखा था, दुबई वाला,
दुबई वाला
जिसमें इंडिया बड़ा बुरी तरह से हारा. तो बड़ा अच्छा माहौल था. I think that rivalry is still there, but I saw some harmony in rivalry as well. एक बड़ा प्यारा इंसिडेंट हुआ while एक पॉइंट आ गया था कि आपको पता है कि अब पाकिस्तान जीतेगा, right? So and I have this video with me is people are sitting, there are Indian crowd or there is a huge Pakistani crowd. तो अंताक्षरी चल रही है. हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना तुम हमें नहीं जानते.
बॉलीवुड गानों पे.
हाँ, बॉलीवुड गानों पे अंताक्षरी चल रही है स्टेडियम के अंदर. और वो दिन मुझे और चीजों से भी याद है क्योंकि उस दिन करवा चौथ था.
अच्छा.
सो जब देख रहे हैं हार रहे हैं और वो चांद आ गया, इंडियन पब्लिक मैरिड पीपल एक्चुअली केम प्रिपेयर्ड.
सही में
थाली लेके आए थे. वो दे वेंट आउट, दे वर डूइंग दिस
दुबई में.
हाँ. And I had to do a video call to my wife as well. वहाँ से. So very interesting that day. एक तो Pakistan broke our record in ICC against them. Second, I saw first time I saw an India-Pakistan match. Very late in my career, but I saw it for the first time. But very good match. But the mahal, the environment for India-Pakistan is different. It's a different, and then I think I was lucky, and people who were there in that stadium were lucky to watch it because you were at a neutral venue. जितने इंडियंस है उतने ही पाकिस्तानी भी है. अभी जैसे अगर इंडिया में होता तो
मेलबर्न में भी हुआ था ना. मेलबर्न में हुआ था
जो विराट कोहली heroics.
Yes.
Right, and then that straight six, that legendary straight six. So I was not there for that match. I went to some other match in Australia, but I think watching an India-Pakistan in Dubai was very, very interesting. And एक छक्का तो मेरे पास आगे बॉल वॉल भी आया. So yeah, very interesting.
I think हमारी इस जनरेशन को मतलब वो जो मैचेस थे वो अलग ही फील थी. इस बार US में होगा ना?
इस बार US में होगा. एंड आई थिंक अभी से ही टिकट्स का फाइट शुरू हो गया है. एंड
T20 वर्ल्ड कप के लिए.
हाँ, न्यूयॉर्क में होगा.
वो क्रेज होगा US के अंदर.
ओ बिल्कुल. See, there is a big diaspora, Indian diaspora, Pakistani diaspora, Bangladesh. There is huge population over there. And they would welcome something like this. You remember Canada में एक कप होता था, इंडिया खेलता था पाकिस्तान के साथ. I'm not able to remember that. तब टोरंटो में मैचेस होते थे.
बट कनाडा तो आधा इंडिया ही है.
हाँ, तो US में भी कम नहीं है. So a match happening in ICC World Cup, India versus Pakistan in New York, jam-packed. It will be a jam-packed. And people will travel for it. Sports travel in India is increasing.
Sports travel.
Traveling particularly for sports.
Oh yes. मेरे दोस्त बहुत ट्रैवल अभी पहले नहीं मैंने कभी सुना था. पहले सिर्फ मुझे लगता था अमीर लोग जाते हैं.
हाँ.
तो
अब सब जाते हैं. धीरे सब जाना चाहते हैं. And you should know this, you are from Chandigarh. Dharamshala, how people used to go, cars नीचे तक कितना जाम लगता था. अभी भी लगेगा. IPL अभी there are 2 matches to be played over there, right? And while it is just a 6-hour journey or a 4-hour journey, but people are ready to travel.
Yeah.
I just witnessed a very big I think when it comes to sports, for traveling particularly for sports, I went for WTC final, World Championship.
Test match.
5 days, oval. लग ही नहीं रहा था कि हम UK में या इंग्लैंड में. so much Indian crowd. मैं फ्लाइट से उतरा हूँ, वीजा में everybody along with me, किस लिए मैच देखना है. Timing was right, summer time, UK summer time,
Correct.
weather, any which ways at that point of time the travel is higher in England. Traveling for sports will increase.
So sports tourism is a big.
Sports tourism is big. It's gonna be big.
मैंने भी देखा है गोवल में मैच, एशेज फाइनल डे.
Wow, big match, big match.
बट मुझे समझ मैं पूरे स्टैंड के अंदर अकेला देसी था. तो मतलब वहाँ पे देसी बोलते हैं,
हाँ.
बट अकेला इंडियन था.
But
मुझे समझ नहीं आता किस साइड सपोर्ट करूँ, बट इट वाज गुड.
but you will be surprised you'll be surprised. I saw so many. Are you aware of English club cultures, the cricket club cultures, right? They have their own dress. They will come all suited, booted. Everybody in their own unique style. There are a lot of club representatives. India was playing Australia, and they came for that match. It was for pure love of cricket. For them, somebody, it's the ultimate trophy in test, right?
Correct.
Test is the real test. That's how they say it. So, the real cricket lovers or the old cricket lovers who are still in love with test matches, for them it's a big thing. And imagine, obviously, cricket is quite big in England, of course.
नहीं, उस दिन मैंने ये भी समझा कि जिमी एंडरसन और स्टुअर्ट ब्रॉड का कितना स्टेटस है वहाँ पे.
Correct.
पीपल वर लिटरली मैड. लाइक मैं बोलता हूँ कि इंडिया के अंदर आप मैच देख रहे हो तो आपको ये समझने की जरूरत नहीं है कि विराट कोहली कहाँ है.
हाँ.
बिकॉज जहाँ वो मूव करता है वहाँ पे बहुत मैसिव आवाज़ आती है. इट वाज द सेम फॉर एंडरसन एंड स्टुअर्ट ब्रॉड इन द मैच दैट आई वेंट इन ओवर. इट वाज
Exactly.
अब मज़ा आ रहा है. और बताओ.